friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today I wanted to show you guys some birthday jewelry I got recently from Kendra Scott. Now this video is not sponsored. They did not send this to me. I actually went shopping with my daughter and I haven't bought anything from Kendra Scott in quite a while. In fact, I've been buying from a vendor called Gorgiana quite a lot. And I'll link this piece. This is from Gorgiana. This is something I recently picked up and I absolutely love. And Gorgiana actually is not somebody that sponsors me. I have no affiliation with Gorgiana at all. But I do buy quite a few pieces from Gorgiana because they are water resistant. And I've had such luck buying pieces from them. I've got quite a big Gorgiana collection, and if you're interested in seeing my whole collection of Gorgiana jewelry, let me know. I'd love to show you. But for today, I'm going to focus on what I got from Kendra Scott for my birthday. And the reason I went in there is you can always get a piece of jewelry during your birthday month for 50% off. And if it's fine jewelry or their 14 karat gold collection, you get a percentage off that as well. So everything I'm going to show you, I'll link in the description box below, but I think these might be some really good ideas for Christmas gifts for those who are hard to buy for. So this is the first piece, these hoop earrings that caught my attention. These are 14 karat gold, so the retail price on these were about $200. I think they were like $180. I'll put the accurate price on the screen so I'm giving you exact information. Now you get 25% off their fine jewelry or 14 karat gold. So I used the 25% on these earrings and I will get a lot of wear on them. Now you can probably see they look very simple on the front side, but when you look at them from the other side, they do have some delicate detailing. I just think they're so pretty and so classy. They're not too heavy, but I do wear them in my second earring holes simply because my first earring holes have been there for 52 years since I was a baby and they are a bit stretched out. So I tend to wear a smaller earring in my first hole and a little bit heavier earring in my second hole, or my statement earring in my second piercing hole. Now I've been loving bracelets lately. Of course, I love necklaces, but lately I've kind of gotten into bracelets. And so I got two bracelets at Kendra Scott. One I used my 50% birthday month discount on, and the other was on clearance. So this one here, this bangle, I love how this just is so easy to put on and off and has some nice detail on it, just super simple. So you could wear it like this, just simple. So that's on the outside. Or if you wanted the little bit of more detail on the outside, you could wear it like that. I also picked up this chain bracelet. Now this one was on clearance for $64. And then this one is the one I used for my 50% off. I love the size of it, so it's a little bit loose. I don't like bracelets that are too tight. And then this middle bracelet I got on Amazon a while back. This is also, I believe, 14 karat gold. It's kind of a looser bracelet, but if I can find the link, I will link this one. I wear it quite a lot, but I just thought the three of these together had a nice look to them. When I was younger, I really liked to have more expensive pieces that I wore all the time, but I found myself getting bored with those pieces. And so now I feel like I really enjoy having pieces of jewelry, more of them that are less expensive. So many companies now are offering really good quality jewelry pieces that are water resistant, that are coated with gold, that aren't as expensive as solid gold. So I just wanted to show you the jewelry pieces that I got for my birthday. I think they are beautiful and I'll get a lot of wear out of them. Simple, classy, and timeless. And for whatever reason, jewelry makes me so happy. It always fits and it always makes me feel elevated and it never makes me feel fat. Let me know in the comments what jewelry brands you've been loving. I always love discovering new brands that put out really nice pieces that aren't overly expensive. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I would love for you to join the Gorgeously Aging community by subscribing to my channel. Thanks again for watching and spending a piece of your day with me. I love and appreciate you all. Be good to yourselves and to others. I will see you in my next video.